It feels like the chips are down, nothing is going your way. You've been recording endlessly, sleepless nights aimlessly. Songs wasted cause tapes are gathering dust. Step 1, we're talented. Step 2, who can we trust? The industry that's full of cutthroats, false hopes, money controls, killer of many souls, anything goes. You know the ropes, but if you ain't part of the clique, you ain't part of the plan, so you might as well quit. Studios costing the earth to hire, you feel. You could set the world on fire if you had a deal. But let's be real about this, it ain't what you know, it's who you know. It's all a game and we're all part of the show. What's the role that you play? Can you do it your way? You need a hell of a lot of luck being from the UK. You can say what you wanna say, but remember it's rare that you'll be getting continuous airplay.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, unstoppable, clever, artistic. You're about to enter a higher level dimension. We're fantastic.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, break the barriers and persist to climb. Many have traveled down the road that you're about to take. Made many mistakes while searching for the perfect break. Years of hardships, ripped jeans, a bearded face. You were there at the wrong time in the wrong place. Maybe next time when you ain't looking desperate, they'll be on you like a rash, yeah, you guessed it. They wanna know your name, where you're from, how long you been an entertainer for, and who wrote the songs. Do you know Danny from Sony, or Mike at Universal, Dawn from RCA? I met her at the dress rehearsal. Name checking could get you recognized further, but in the meantime trying to survive is murder. It's all a game to them, but to us it's life or death. Or maybe they just lack a lot of depth, or maybe they just don't understand what it means to record, how it feels to perform, but we go on.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, unstoppable, clever, artistic. You're about to enter a higher level dimension. We're fantastic.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, artistical brainwaves are being siphoned. On the streets you recognize your names all over the town. You've been recording for years and you're well renowned. Situations confuse you, bad luck pursues you. Promoters hire you for your services and use you, but fail to pay you. They aim to play you. My advice is play the games like they do. Who knows what's around the corner? It could be the break that you've been waiting for. As a performer with sense, something's about to happen. Keep it up, never give it up, no matter what they all might say. One day it could pay off. Watch the parasites crowd around you like you're some sort of megastar. But in the meantime, trying to survive is murder, and the conditions you're living in have never been worse. It's in your blood, you're addicted. Nothing can change that. Make your move, this is payback.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, Mark B. Blade, Prime Cuts. We're fantastic. Break the barriers and persist to climb.
We are the unknown.
Now you know the name, unstoppable, clever, artistical brainwaves are being stifled. Now you know the name. We're fantastic.
White brothers and sisters. White brothers and sisters.